Very good meeting. We had people coming from Assam, people coming from Arunachal Pradesh, from Bodoland, from Karbi Anglong, from Dimasa Hasao, Meghalaya, Manipur, Nagaland. So the meeting was very good and we have made significant progress. And I think we are on track to create a new idea for Northeast, which will be taking a larger perspective of speaking out for the entire region from a single point of view.
On how do you see into their development that is taking?
You're talking about Animesh De Burma's statement. Let me speak to him. In what context has he said it? Because he had gone and visited the people. मैं उनसे बात करके मैं उनसे पूछूंगा कि ऑन व्हाट कॉन्टेक्स्ट ही सेड इट बट मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड करना वो गैर कानूनी काम तो है नहीं. दैट इज हिज डेमोक्रेटिक राइट. बट आई थिंक राइट नाउ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग इज कि हमारा रैली 27 तारीख को है. नवंबर 27 तारीख को अस्तबल ग्राउंड में हम लोग रैली करेंगे. कॉनराड सांगमा इज कमिंग, डैनियल लांगथासा इज कमिंग, मुलुमो किकोन इज कमिंग, अजय एडवर्ड्स फ्रॉम गोरखालैंड इज कमिंग. मेनी पीपल आर कमिंग ऑन द 27 और उस रैली में हमको एक आवाज में अपने लोगों के बारे में बात करना चाहिए. आज होम मिनिस्ट्री डिमांड किया है, कल मैंने भी खुद कहा है कि वी कैन हैव अ तिपरासा चीफ मिनिस्टर. लेकिन द पॉइंट इज दैट पीपल should be benefited and there should be no violence, because जब violence होता है तो गरीब इंसान का नुकसान होता है. मैंने आज तक नहीं देखा anybody who is rich and powerful losing their shop or their property. It's only the poor who suffer. So I am against any form of violence, and if the chief minister thinks that there can be a larger dialogue between Tipra Motha, BJP, the police officials, I am welcome for that.
Is police inaction still going on in Tripura?
Done a very good job. I spoke to the DGP myself on 4 occasions when the violence was taking place, and there are a lot of rumor mongering, and there are a lot of people who are trying to create rumors, mischievous rumors, so that they excite the people. I don't think that is a good or a healthy situation. And the police, as far as I know from the DGP, I've been in direct contact with him. I don't think the police has done anything which is hurting the local public, but there are mischief makers in every society, and those people should be caught by the police. If those people are caught by the police, I think law and order will come back to normalcy.
Thank you.
Thank you.